Hello learners. I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. I am Miss Nirali Patel. I am going to teach you environmental study. In that we are going to learn lesson 1. So before we begin, let's have a look at this picture. Okay, look at the picture. What are the children doing in this picture? See, the children are playing over here, right? The children are playing over here. Now let's take a look in the activities. What activities they are doing, right? So we read first and then we take correct in the boxes if children are doing that activity. So the first activity is running. So look at the picture. Okay, in this picture there are one girl who is running over here. Okay, so this activity is done by the girl, so we take the correct. Next, painting. Okay, second activity is painting. So nobody is painting in this picture, so we left that box. Then the activity is throwing, right? In this picture they are playing with the ball and they are throwing the ball. One boy standing here, he is catch the ball and this boy is throwing the ball. So throwing is done, right? So we take the correct in that box. Next activity is writing. So in this picture, can you see anyone is writing? No, right? So we left that box. Then picking. Picking मतलब जमीन पर से कुछ उठाना, ठीक है? Picking means उठाना कुछ भी. तो look at here, the children over here they are picking some dead leaves, ठीक है? तो this is the right activity. More. Then next, cycling. See, in this picture you can see here they are cycling. They are doing cycling. So this is also done by the children. The next activity is clapping. Anyone is clap? No. Okay. So clapping is not done in this picture. So we left that box. Then skipping. Skipping means what? Rassi kudna. Right. So one girl is skipping over here. So we take the correct in that box. Right. The next is eating. Okay. In this picture, you can see anyone eating over here? No. So we left that box. Then swimming. Oh, swimming is not done in this picture, right? And nobody is doing swimming. So we left at both the box, right? Okay. Which of these activity can you do easily? Which one do you do the best? Okay, ये आपको बताना है, right? आप कौन सी एक्टिविटी बहुत अच्छे से कर सकते हो? ओके, ये थी ब्रीफ. तो ये सारी जो एक्टिविटीज मैंने आपको बताई ना ये पिक्चर में, लाइक देखो, ये रनिंग, देन थ्रोइंग, देन स्कीपिंग, देन साइकिलिंग, these all activity we can do with our wonderful body, right? So our first lesson is about our wonderful body. So you can see our chapter 1 in EVS is our wonderful body. In our body we have so many parts like face, hand, legs, okay, and feet. So we are going to learn about these all parts. Next, you can see our whole body here. ठीक है, our human body looks like. So ये तो आपने देखा कि हमारी ये जो है ना पूरी बॉडी है, ठीक है. बट चिल्ड्रन, डू यू नो दैट आवर बॉडी इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 main parts. Okay, I am going to teach you that thing. Look at here. Okay, the first body part is called head. The second main body part is called trunk. And the third main body part is limb. Right? The first one is head. The second one is trunk. The third one is limbs. Limbs. So these are our main body parts, like the head, the trunk, and the limbs. Right? Okay. So do you all know that our head and our trunk is connected by our neck, right? Our head and our trunk is connected by the neck. Then our trunk and our limbs are connected by our hips. H-I-P-S, hips. Okay, so these are some body parts. In our trunk, we have both side of arms. ठीक है, जो हमारे both side के arms है ना, वो भी हम अपने trunk में include करेंगे, right? And in the limbs, we can include our legs. Like in the legs, we have knees and ankle and feet, right? These all are called limbs. Limbs matlab what, children? You have that question, I know that. So limbs is like हमारे जो अंग होते हैं ना, like हाथ और पैर, उसे हम बोलेंगे limbs. Okay, our hand and leg are called limbs. Then next, you can see some of the body parts name over here. ठीक है, I am reading this one by one and you have to look on the screen. See the hair, head, forehead, nose, chin, eye, ear, mouth. Right? These are the parts of our head. Right? In our head, we have beautiful eyes, lips, nose, hair, forehead, ear, chin. Okay? So, in our head, we have that all body parts. But in the front of our head, we call face. ठीक है? हमारा जो head का आगे का हिस्सा है ना, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Face. Okay? In the face, we include hair, eye, ear, head, forehead, nose. Understand? Chalo. Then we have arm, finger, shoulder, elbow. ठीक है? These are the parts of the trunk. Okay, in the part, we have both the side of hand, right? In the hand, arm, fingers, shoulders, right? And elbows, ye, right? Then, do you know that all these body parts have some of joints, right? We can learn here. See, in our head, hair is there. Somebody have long hair, somebody have short hair, right? So hair is also different type of. Then nose. Nose have also different types. Like somebody have short nose, somebody have long nose, somebody have pointed nose. Then ear. ठीक है? This is our ear. And we can hear with our ears. Without our ears, we cannot able to hear. So ears plays vital role in our body. Remember that thing. And eyes. In our face, we have beautiful eyes. Somebody have big eyes. Somebody have small eyes, like Chinny has, right? Then mouth. Okay, with our mouth, we can speak, right? If I don't have mouth, so I'm not able to speak anything. And next, you can see in the picture, teeth. Okay, without teeth, we cannot chew our meal. We cannot able to chew. ठीक है? हम कुछ भी चबा नहीं सकते हैं अगर हमारे पास दांत ना हो तो. So, teeth is also play vital role in mouth. Neck. What I told you? That neck plays vital role in our body. Neck jointed our head and trunk. Okay. So, neck have also different type. Somebody have long neck like peacock. Okay. Somebody have short neck. The next is hand. Okay. Show me your hand, children. Right. This is our hand. Hand हम कैसे बनाएंगे? देखो, ये 5 फिंगर्स है और ये पाम है. ओके, ये सब मिलकर बनता है हमारा हैंड, राइट? देन फिंगर. सी, वी हैव 4 फिंगर एंड 1 थंब. ओके ओके, तो मैं आपको बताऊंगी 5 फिंगर्स के नेम. ओके, द फर्स्ट वी कॉल थंब, देन index finger, then big finger, then ring finger and pinky. Right? We have 4 finger and 1 thumb. Then arm. Arm means what? देखो, ये हमारा जो पूरा है ना, उसे हम बोलेंगे arm. That we call arm. And our arm has elbow joints. Right? हमारा अगर आर्म्स के पास एल्बो जॉइंट नहीं होता, then we cannot able to lift anything or bend our hand. See, in this picture you can see the girl bend their elbow, right? If we don't have elbow joints, then we cannot bend or stretch our hand. ठीक है? Then knees. Our leg has knee joints. So, with the help of knee joint, we can dance, swim, or do so many things with our knee joints. Foot. Foot means हमारे जो पैरों का ये हिस्सा है, this part is called foot. ठीक है? तो अगर हमारे पास foot नहीं है ना, then we cannot able to stand, right? So foot is also play essential role in our body. Then we have toes. ठीक है? Then we have toe, toe. Toe means ये this body part is called toe. ठीक है? Toe has also a joints and muscles that help us to walk. Then we have leg. Okay. Look at here. This is our whole leg. In our leg, we have knee joints, ankle joints, and toes, feet. Okay. These are included in our leg. Look at here. In this picture, there are some body movements. Okay. यहाँ पे कुछ body movements है जिसमें हम किस बॉडी पार्ट्स का यूज करते हैं वो हम देखेंगे. तो द फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज ड्राइंग. ओके, अगर हम ड्राइंग करेंगे ना तो हमारे कौन से जॉइंट्स यूज होंगे? यू कैन आंसर दैट वेरी इजीली. देखो, एल्बो यूज करेंगे, राइट. wrist यूज होगी, करेक्ट. knees नो, क्योंकि ये ड्राइंग की एक्टिविटी है जो हम हैंड की वजह से ही यूज करेंगे. एंकल नो, हिप नो. सो एल्बो एंड wrist, we use our elbow and wrist for drawing activity. Dancing, look at here, dancing, second activity is dancing. So चलो joints इसमें कौन कौन से यूज होंगे? right, so elbow, yes, wrist, yes, fingers, yes, neck and knees. okay, ये सारे body parts, these all body parts we can use in this activity. These are the body parts we use in dancing activity. Then the next activity is kicking a football. okay, in this activity we use ankle, right knee, right hip and toes, right. okay, so these all body parts are we using these all body parts for doing this activity. then lawn moving, right, अगर हम गार्डन में से लॉन मूव करते हैं, ठीक है, तो यू कैन सी हियर द गर्ल इज डूइंग दिस एक्टिविटी एंड द जॉइंट used in this is ankle, right knee, right elbow, yes, right. wrist and fingers is also used in this activity. Then next activity is walking, right. so in this activity walking में knees use होंगे, right. wrist we can use wrist, children, yes. then elbow and neck, neck भी हम यूज करेंगे, ठीक है. then studying, अच्छा, स्टडी के लिए भी ये जॉइंट्स यूज होंगे, एंकल, राइट नी, elbow and neck. These are used in this studying activity. So these are our body parts. But you have to remember one thing, that our body is divided into how many parts? 3 parts. And that is head, trunk and limbs. Right? So this is the concept of our first lesson, our wonderful body. I hope you get knowledge from this video, and thank you all of you for your kind attention.